if you've been looking for a way to make money online this year, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 of the best side hustles that you can start completely using AI. Now, all of these are very beginner friendly. You can start them pretty much with no experience and little to no money to get started, but they all have the potential to make a ton of profit every single month if you're willing to put in some work. Now, I have done a lot of research and really found you guys some great options that you might have not thought about selling before. So let's not waste any more time and let's just jump right into this list. Any of these could be ones you could start, or you could add kind of your own twist on some of the ones I suggest and do something brand new that a lot of people haven't thought about. And personally, that's kind of what I would suggest, is kind of take these as a jumping off point and trying to brainstorm how you can even make this a little bit more unique and just stand out from other people doing similar things. So let's just jump right into it. Now, one of the first things that you can sell completely using AI is some kind of a budget or spending tracker. Now, this year, one of the most popular things was either to do a no spend year or a low spend year, or just a no spend month or challenge in general. So a lot of times when there's something very trendy that maybe goes viral on TikTok or Instagram, that is a great thing to take note of to see how you could create a product that is going to help people do that. Now, using AI to create some kind of no spend or spending tracker is actually really easy. There's a bunch of ways that you could do this, but personally, my favorite is to just use a tool like ChatGPT and kind of explain to ChatGPT what you want this tracker to do. So for example, in the case of doing a no spend year or a no spend month, you're going to explain kind of the parameters to ChatGPT about what things are allowed, what categories you want to include in something like this, and how you want it to track it. And if you feel really unsure, you can kind of just have ChatGPT throw out some ideas and options and work with that. Now, once you kind of give it some feedback about the direction you want to go, you can literally have it come up with every single item that you are going to put on this digital download. And once you have all those categories, all you need to do is put this into some kind of design suite. So you could use a place like Canva or Kittl or Photoshop, Illustrator, and just come up with kind of a pretty and unique no spend tracker. A lot of times these places, especially like Kittl and Canva, they're going to have some pre-made templates that you can kind of just plug in all of the information that you came up with ChatGPT and make some tweaks. And then you have a digital download that is pretty much ready to go that you could sell on a place like Etsy. Now, one way to just take this a step further is by getting very hyper specific with these or theming them. So if you made a no spend tracker, that is a great kind of keyword to target. But what if you wanted to get even more specific and capture an even more targeted audience? So you made like a really kawaii no spend tracker, or you made a no spend tracker for moms specifically, or for a college student. So those are ways you can make this even more unique and targeted and have a better chance of actually standing out and getting sales. Now, one of the next AI side hustles that is a personal favorite of mine, I love selling these types of items because they are so easy, but they have a huge impact and they're really fun. People are looking to buy them. And that is making AI stickers or AI sticker packs. For years, it's been popular to put stickers on your laptop, on your phone, on your water bottles, on folders, binders, whatever. And that is not going anywhere anytime soon. People still love to personalize and decorate things with stickers. And people are willing to pay a good chunk of money for a really fun, unique sticker. A lot of times up to like $5 to $7 for one sticker. So there's a lot of room to make profit with this. Now, in the past, to make stickers, a lot of times you either had to be good at kind of putting some pre-made graphics together, or you had to be able to actually draw everything yourself, which not everybody had the skills to do. But with a lot of the much better AI image generators these days, you can make some really unique stickers in literal seconds. So the tool that I use to make most of the stickers that I use AI is called Kittl. I will link all their information down below. They have a really good image generator and just a way to kind of tweak those and make awesome stickers with them. And then once you make those designs, you can take them to sell on Etsy by integrating with a production partner like Printify. So Printify, they're going to have all of the white label products that you put your designs on. So they're going to print your stickers. They're going to make your sticker packs. They have tons of options for all those. And all you have to do is actually upload the design that you created with the AI. And they're going to do like the printing, packing, shipping, and giving that to your customer anytime they make an order on Etsy. Now, again, the key here is you need to get very hyper specific with the types of stickers you're selling. So if you just try to make some generic, like funny cat stickers, you're probably going to be competing against way too many people. But if you can really target a specific type of customer and do something like a kawaii cat sticker for people who love to garden, that is going to give you a way better chance of actually ranking on those first pages of Etsy and making sales with these AI stickers. But again, just what I love is these are so quick to make. You can literally add hundreds of them to an Etsy shop and start getting some sales right away, just as long as you're willing to put in some of the work to find unique niches that maybe not a ton of other people are selling. I actually have a workshop all about how to do that down below. I'll have the link there so you can put in your email and I will send you that whole workshop to watch, and it's going to kind of teach you how to find these really unique niches. Now, the next AI product that you can make a ton of money selling this year is another digital download, and this one is for a reading tracker. Now, I can't really say that reading is kind of a trend or a fad right now because reading obviously has always been super popular, but with places like TikTok and YouTube really promoting a ton of users and channels that make all of their content about reading, it has gotten way more like trendy and popular to not only read, but to track how much you read, what you read, your reviews, everything like that. So reading trackers are a fabulous digital product to be making and selling right now. And using AI makes this super easy to get these things out. So again, like we did for that first one, you can work with an AI like ChatGPT to really help you come up with all of the elements that you're going to include in this digital download or digital book that you're going to sell. It can help you come up with the wording, the different sections, everything that you should include. And once you have all that, you're just going to take it to a design suite like Canva or Kittl and kind of create your layout for these digital downloads. And once again, if you can get even more unique and specific with this, like a fantasy book tracker download or a romance book tracker download or like a fun kawaii or food themed download, that is just going to make you be able to stand out a little more than if you just make something really generic. But reading trackers are already selling well and they're going to continue selling really well over this next year. So this is a great one to start selling. Now, the next AI side hustle that is a huge moneymaker and there is still so much room in the market is making mugs personalized with people's pets on them using AI. So people, they love to buy things that they are passionate about, and a lot of times people are not passionate about anything more than their pets. So if we can kind of capture some of that, we have a ton of potential to make sales. Now, one of the ways that I think you can make a really good business is by selling on your Etsy shop a mug from a place like Printify. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. It can just be kind of a generic white mug, but then you could offer the option to have personalized pets on them. So people can send you both what type of pet they have as well as what the name of their pet is. And then they can even pick things like the style of the image that they want. So if they want something that's more cartoon, or if they want something that more looks like watercolors, or is more in a kawaii style, or is just a black and white silhouette, with an AI image generator, you can do all of that. So for example, if someone tells you that they have a Saint Bernard named Sadie, you could, and that they want this in that kind of cartoon kawaii style, you can go to an AI image generator and just tell it to generate you an image or multiple images of a Saint Bernard in that cute kawaii style. And then you just put it on your mug and then add the name of the dog that they told you. Now, you could do this hundreds of times with tons of different pet types, dog types, cat types, or even more unique pets like parrots or bearded dragons or gerbils or hamsters. But with AI, we have the ability to make really unique images about very hyper-specific things. So this is a fabulous Etsy store idea to start, and you don't have to be good at designing or graphics in any way because you're really just taking the one image that the AI image generator made and you're adding one line of text with the pet's name on it. Now, again, the image generator that I like to use for this kind of thing is called Kittl. I'll link all their information down below. They have free versions as well as paid subscription, which has just a few more options for doing things, especially with AI. But there are lots of different AI image generators on the market there. But AI pet mugs are a really good item to be selling. Now, it seems kind of counterintuitive or silly, but one of the most important things when it comes to selling print on demand or digital items or digital services with AI is being able to show them in real life. Now, this is tricky because when we make these types of AI products, they don't ever really exist until someone buys them. So if someone buys a print on demand mug with a pet on it, we don't personally have a whole stash of these mugs that we can photograph and show them. We are just making it online, and once they purchase it, it's going to be printed, packed, and shipped to them. And same thing with digital downloads. We don't have a whole stack of these printed out book trackers that we are packaging and shipping to people. This is an item that exists fully online, but customers want to imagine what it would feel like to have this item, what this item would look like in real life. So that is why mock-ups of your AI and digital products are so important. If you are selling a digital download, you don't want to just have a blank screen that just shows the page of the digital download. You actually want to have it look like maybe this is laying on a desk, or maybe this is open on an iPad that someone is holding. Or if you are selling a print on demand mug or a sticker, you want to be able to show someone using that for it to look like a real physical product that someone is buying. It just makes people way more comfortable and way more willing to spend money on something when they feel like they are not just getting something that only exists in the digital universe, even if it actually does. So I think it's really important to not only spend time on what your products look like, but almost spend that same amount of time on making a really good mock-up for that first image. Now, the place that I like to do this is called Place It. It's a subscription that not only has a lot of design tools on them, so you could actually make your digital downloads using AI on a place like Place It, but then they have libraries of thousands and thousands of different mock-up photos that you can use to show off either your digital items or your print on demand items. And later we're going to talk about maybe some AI digital services that you could sell, and you can actually showcase those on mock-ups as well, on iPads, on laptops. But that is going to make all the difference. And if you actually are going to get sales, people don't want to just buy a piece of paper on a white background that they see, and they want it to look like a full experience. They want to know what they're going to feel like using it. So if you can present that, that is going to make a world of a difference. Now, I love Place It because when I first got started selling digital items or print on demand items, I was not super familiar with like how to create mock-ups on a place like Photoshop or Illustrator. It all was just really scary to me. So what I love about Place It is you just either upload your artwork, you upload your digital download page, and it's going to auto create that mock-up for you and make it actually look real without you having to warp anything or make a lot of changes. So highly recommend them. I will have all of the information for them down below in the description if you want to get started, especially if you're going to be selling any of these AI products on a place like Etsy. The mockups are so important. Now, the next AI side hustle that is so profitable, but there is still a ton of money to be made, is by creating AI packing lists. And this is one of the simplest items and ideas on this list, but tons of people are looking for these and actively buying them. Now, again, you are going to be using a tool like ChatGPT to come up with really good packing lists for you to create checklists for digital downloads for people to purchase. But again, you're not going to make money if you just are going to create a generic packing list for going on a trip. And who is that actually going to help? You don't know the needs of the specific person who is purchasing that. So where the real money is to be made is in making very targeted, hyper-specific packing lists for certain kinds of trips. Now, with the power of digital products and AI, we can make things that a big store couldn't sell because we can target someone so specifically, target their specific trip. So for example, something that would sell better is making a bachelorette packing trip for a trip to Nashville, or a packing trip for a family of 4 hiking the Grand Canyon for 5 days. So think about very specific people and trips that they are going on, and you can use a tool like ChatGPT to help you come up with a very specific packing list and create a checklist for people to purchase and buy. Now, you can make these checklists either very simple, or you can make them cute and themed for the trip, which is what I personally would recommend. But packing lists are a huge seller, and surprisingly, people are willing to spend quite a bit on making the process of going on their trip just a little bit smoother and easier. So this is a fabulous idea. idea for 2025, and you could take this so many different ways and have a ton of different types of packing lists on an Etsy shop or a digital website. Now, the next AI side hustle that is one of my personal favorites, because this is something that I have been doing for quite a while, but it's just going to get even bigger this next year, and that is using AI to create t-shirts to sell on Amazon or Etsy or Redbubble. Kind of just like the mugs, you are going to use a tool on a place like Midjourney or Kittl to create really, really good t-shirt graphics. And the cool thing is that with the power of AI, we can get so hyper specific with the types of images we are creating. So before, when you wanted to make a t-shirt, you either had to be able to draw the design or you had to find pre-made graphics that went along with the niche you were targeting. Now, that was really hard when we wanted to create some hyper specific things. Like, for example, if you wanted to create a design for a dentist who loves to play pickleball, if you went to a place like Creative Fabrica, you might not be able to find an exact image that really worked with that. But with AI tools, you can create something that is so targeted and hyper specific. Now, t-shirts are still one of the best print on demand items to sell out there, and I personally use Printify again to sell all of my t-shirts, apparel, things like hoodies on my Etsy shop. So highly recommend getting started with them if you never have before. You can create a free account and be able to sell pretty much any apparel item you can think of, but t-shirts are still a really good one because they are probably the most searched for and sold print on demand item over anything else. I actually have quite a few different tutorials of how to create t-shirts 100% using AI, so I will link some of those here, but this is a great side hustle to try your hand at and start this year. Now, the next AI side hustle that definitely is going to take a little bit more work than maybe some of these, but is still super doable and beginner friendly, is to create some kind of affiliate newsletter. Now, if you have never heard of an affiliate program before, it basically is when you can sign up with specific companies to promote their products or their services, and every single time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you get a small percentage of that sale. Now, some of the biggest ones out there are going to be the Amazon Associates affiliate program, so where you can sign up and basically any item that's on Amazon, you can recommend, and if people purchase it, you're going to make money on that. But there are also tons of affiliate links for things like digital services, for courses and programs. Pretty much any company you can think of out there, they likely have some kind of affiliate program that you could sign up for. Now, the way that you actually would make money on this is by starting some kind of hyper specific niche focused Facebook or Instagram page. So for example, maybe you want to start an affiliate newsletter or social media account that has to do with everything gardening in your small apartment. So you can create a Facebook page all about small apartment gardening where you are going to be making posts about apartment gardening, about tips about gardening, and you can use AI to help you come up with the post to make, come up with topics to talk about. And slowly you can amass a little audience. And once you have that, you can start sending out weekly or bi-weekly newsletters that have a bunch of tips all about gardening in your small apartment or how to get started. And AI can help you write those newsletters. But the most important thing is you want to be recommending products within that newsletter that have to do with the audience you have created. So for example, for like this small apartment gardening, you might recommend specific gardening tools, specific fertilizer and soil people can order on Amazon, cute gardening themed items people can purchase. And so throughout those newsletters, you are going to sprinkle in different affiliate links that people can click on and purchase items, and you are going to get a small commission or kickback every single time. Now, this is definitely something that's more time consuming, and it's something you're going to build up over time. It's not going to be a huge moneymaker in the first month, but affiliate newsletters, affiliate social media accounts can generate thousands and thousands of dollars every single month. But you're definitely going to have to both put more work in the front end, researching a really good unsaturated niche that you could kind of create a page and a newsletter about, and then you're going to have to actually put in the work every single week of using AI to help you write these newsletters, making posts on your social media account that you created, and slowly building up that audience. Now, if you want even more ideas of some really good digital products that you could be creating in 2025, either using AI or not, I highly recommend watching this video next that has some great options for you to start. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.